Welcome to Integrity Data. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over how to add a rate matrix. To add a rate matrix, we're going to go to Configuration, Rule Setup, and Rate Matrix. I have one here already set up. I'm going to click Add New Rate Matrix. And I've already got a code of 122. You could use something similar. As long as it doesn't match any other codes, then you'll be able to add it. So maybe I'll do production, prod, and then production. And the level at which I want to set up my rate matrix is going to be by job. So we'll do broom holder, and I just double click that. And we got pay rate and bill rate. Pay rate is what you want the employee to receive as their rate for doing this job. Bill rate would be maybe if you're like a temp agency or you hire your staff out to other companies, you pay the employee one rate, but you bill that other company a different rate for that employee's hours. So I could kind of set these up and be able to see what I'm spending on the employee and what I'm receiving for that employee. Normally, you're just going to use the pay rate. And we've got a dollar amount, and this is how much more we want to give them per hour than they already receive in their pay rate. And that's the dollar symbol. A percentage would be a percentage more of their pay rate. F is a flat rate. So no matter what the employees are making, if this job is $23.75 per hour, then I would add that under the F for flat rate and click Add Level Codes. And there we go. We could continue to do this with our other levels in here. I'm just going to put this one. I click Save. I have this added in. I'm going to select Assign Employees. There's nobody on my list. Don't let that alarm you. You just need to click Filter or select a department and maybe a particular department, and then filter, and anybody assigned to the manager department will appear in your list. Or just leave this all blank and immediately click on filter. All of your employees will show up. You can click on the employee or employees that you want this to apply to, select confirm, and then click OK. And now we've successfully added a rate matrix and assigned an employee to it. You can also assign it to an employee under their employee details at any time by just clicking Edit and then finding the rate matrix and choosing which one you want to use and then save. Now it's also important that you may need to add this to your default profiles so that when you add employees that fall under this scope, it will automatically be placed on them and you don't have to go back after the fact and attach it. And in our default profiles here, we can come down and click Edit on whichever one it suits. And we're going to find our rate matrix, select it, and click Save. Now, if the employee is brought over from HR automatically, or if you manually add your employee to time, whichever route you use, when you're using that default profile for the employee, it will automatically set them up based on the defaults you have in the default profile. Thank you for watching.